Conceived as the main residence for a family in a condominium in the metropolitan region of São Paulo, Float House stands out for its privileged location, a corner plot on a flat street in the highest part of the condominium. The residence offers a wide panoramic view, and the large garden terrace on the upper floor complements the complex by providing a space for contemplation for the 3 suites. The architecture was conceived with the idea of creating a neutral and visually minimalist building. The building's planes serve as a support for the projection of sunlight, shadows from the trees, and reflections from the water mirror and swimming pool, establishing a sensory object that is closely linked to its surroundings. Based on the coexistence of opposites, the proposal reveals the duality between stability and suspension, weight and lightness, opacity and transparency. By exploring the physical and visual capacities of matter, the poetry of construction manifests itself through the subtle substances of architecture. The constructed object is the supporting player in the composition, while the immaterial takes center stage.